So I'm here at Label Expo on the HP Indigo stand with Noam Zilberstein. Noam is the VP and General Manager of HP Indigo. Welcome to Label Expo, Noam.
Hello, pleasure to be here.
So just to start with, Noam, what kind of a show has it been so far for HP Indigo in general?
Amazing and exciting show, as always. We are very happy to meet again our customers at this site. Label Expo is always the place to meet partners, customers, and friends. And I think that it's always exciting to see their excitement when they see what we have to, when we have to show.
Great. And can you talk me through the equipment that you have on the stand?
So we decided to show here the 6K, which is our bread and butter, and this is the press that I think has paved the way into the digital revolution in labels. And we have an install base of more than 2,500 presses all around the world. We are selling more than 200 presses every year, and we see the impact on our customers who love this press and leverage its capability to the maximum. Aligned with this, we are showcasing also the 200K, which is our flagship system of the of flexible packaging. And this time, we decided to show also the labels option together with it, so customers really can move very fast from labels printing into flexible packaging and vice versa, and can diversify their capabilities in this market. And last but not least, we are showcasing the V12, but this time in a unique, I would say, positioning. It's not, again, the press itself, it's the press within our customers. So we have an open house here in Osco, and we have live demonstrations from Nesco and from other places all around the world. You can go and look into their activities live and ongoing, and I think that's the power of really demonstrating that it's not just a technology, it's technology in action, and our customers already love it and already leveraging its capability. So you see the whole area of possibilities in the labels and also in the flexible packaging market.
Thank you. So when you're talking about the 200K for labels, self-adhesive labels, right. You're talking about the slitter, on the new slitter. Can you just what will be the workflow for a self-adhesive printing?
So it's very intuitive and easy move from one application to the other. It takes less than an hour to move from labels to flexible packaging and vice versa. And it enables customers that already now have started to explore the flexible packaging to go into the labels, and also the other way around. Customers who have labels experience and wants to leverage more the 200K can also have the option to experience the flexible packaging and see this market which is growing so fast. So we are providing our customers the tools to grow their business in a multiple ways.
Right. So Noam, the 200K is the latest generation into the 20,000, 25K. Right. What are the key differences between the 25K and the 200K?
So basically I can say that the 200K is much more productive than the 25K. We are talking about more than 40%, and I can tell you that our customers are doing even more than 40%, and our presses are much more productive. And I think that that's one of the best advantages that we can provide with the 200K. The quality is enormous, and together with the whole line that we are providing, I mean, you can easily go into the market and take much longer runs at the same time that you want to experience this market. And I can tell you that this market is the fastest market business for us. I mean, while we know that labels are growing 10% this year, we can see the whole market. We can see that the flexible packaging is growing more than 20%. The digital flexible packaging is growing more than 20%, and we have more than 90% market share. So customers that really choose to go in that area are facing an enormous growth in this area.
Thank you, Noam. People are talking today more about the cloud and about automated workflows. I know this is something that HP has been pushing hard with the iOS system. So perhaps you could just tell us something about your cloud demonstrations, about workflow automation, color management, and these kind of soft power type issues.
Absolutely, absolutely. So in Drupa we announced our what we call automation vision. We call it intelligent automation. It's IA instead of AI, and we are demonstrating the power of the tools that we have and the vision that we have for the future. While leveraging PrintOS and while leveraging SiteFlow, we are providing tools for our customers to really manage the whole production floor into the future. And this time, we have launched also the production bit within the PrintOS, which connect everything in the production floor and allow customers to look at the whole production floor as a whole and be able to get the data, put it into the cloud, and start to analyze it and to work on their efficiencies on the production floor. And it's just the beginning. We are partnering with some customers, but also with some partners in order to allow a fluent overall workflow from the brands all the way to our customers. And I think that that's part of our vision. We see intelligent automation, intelligent factories all around the world, all connected into one place that enables us to provide our customers ways to be much more productive, but also to give better solutions to their brands and to their customers.
Very interesting. And just to also a final question about the V12. My colleague Chelsea visited Moscow and said it was an amazing site there. Can you tell us something about the extra productivity that you get from the ABG, the new automated also unwind and rewind stations? What does that do to the productivity of the press?
So basically, printing is just the beginning, right? And when you're talking about the whole intelligent factory, you need to look into the productivity all around the world. So when we're talking about unwinding and rewinding of the press that we have, you know that every 30 to 40 minutes you need to replace the rolls. So this press is so productive that we need to take care of what we call a non-stop printing. So while having those tools, we provide our customers a non-stop printing capabilities to keep on printing, no matter if the roll is completed or ended, or no matter if you need to load another roll. It's a non-stop printing vision and a non-stop printing press that we are targeting. So that's why those additions are so important for our vision and for our customers.
Thank you, Noam. And just one more question. Last year when I was at Label Expo in Europe, in Brussels, we were talking then about the push for Indigo first operations. I wonder if you could just sort of tell me, where are you on that roadmap?
So, everyone asks me why I'm so excited about the labels market, or labels and packaging market. And my first reaction is that I think that this is the first industry that will go fully digital in the future. The vision of going digital that we are carrying for the last 40 years, I think that going to be fulfilled in the labels and packaging. And with the power of the LEPX technology and the power of the V12 and some other additions that we are going to provide in the future, we are going to allow customers to use our presses in short, medium, and long runs fluently. And while being able to do this, we're going to change the mindset. From today, 90% is flexo. Now, the mindset of our operators is first to make the job or do the job on flexo, and only if it's very short run, do it on the digital. We are going to change it around to a digital first mindset. Hopefully it will be Indigo first mindset, but a digital first mindset, meaning first first option for every job is do it on digital, and only for rare cases going into the flexo. That's the vision that we have. That's the mindset that we are trying to change. And I'm sure that with the technology that we have, with the vision that we have, with our employees and the passion of our customers, all together, we're going to make it happen.
Noam, thank you so much. It's been great talking to you.